Okay, here we are, Vilano Beach. It's Wednesday, I think it's the 5th of January, first swell of 2022. Out here for a late lunch break. I'm gonna join Bill and Taylor out there, and they'll be surfing and I'll be on my bodyboard. See you out there. It's Bill and Taylor!
Are we on TV?
Yeah! GoPro.
It's either death or can't catch it or death.
Oh. What is it out there?
You can't pick them up. They look
Oh,
good.
too mushy?
Yeah.
Not steep, not...
And this down here, this looks like a train wreck. But
Well, that's a closeout there, yeah.
How are you? Good?
Happy New Year!
Yeah, Happy New Year. I haven't seen you out here in a while.
Surf hasn't been that good. I was out here a couple of weeks ago.
Very good, yeah.
A couple of weeks ago I was out. I got out a couple days.
I was out just in my wetsuit shorts.
Were you? Yeah.
No top.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I was swimming in my pool this past weekend. It was 82.
Yeah, it was 80.
Send friends, people up north.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely.
Well, we haven't caught a single wave.
Yeah, we've been.
I know.
Wave inside.
Earlier it was looking better down there.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
this
yeah.
drift is-
We drifted.
It's intense.
Oh, you drifted already that far?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
I caught one and just got swallowed on the top. But the inside looks...
Well, that's what keeps you immune from COVID.
Yeah.
Yeah, swallowing the ocean water.
Got the Vilano vaccine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only vax I'm getting.
Well, that just dumped me.
How was it?
It was a drop. That's it. It was quick. Okay, so I lost my fin and had to come back in, get my spare fin, and Bill and Taylor drifted way to the south. So I'm here by myself. Dolphin. There we go, got dolphin. Up, reached. Oh, nice. He's a lot closer than it looks with this GoPro on widescreen. Makes things look further away. There's another one, or the same one. There he is. Okay, that was kind of fun at the end. Okay, that was fun. Nice little lunch break, late lunch today on Wednesday afternoon. Got out with Bill and Taylor a little bit and lost my fin. They drifted south and I had to go back up north to get my extra fin, and got back out there and kind of lost them, so finished the day by myself. Caught a few nice lefts and got to see some dolphin out there, so that was fun. Other than that, it was great to get out. The first time in 2022, and we'll see you on the next one. Over and out.